For the work I will use cotton yarn 50 grams 170 meters and crochet hook 1.65 millimeters. We make a 16 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Turn, skip the first loop and starting from the second, we will work single crochet in each loop all the way till the end. We will start from the stalk of the leaf. And continue till you reach 15 single crochet. I have few more, and I usually work into the last one too. Ready? We made the stalk. Now make 6 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make slip stitch into the very first loop, like almost into the same loop. Slip stitch. Now what we have? Turn our work, and now we will work in this ring. Make 7 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and make treble crochet. Ready? Now make 4 chains, 3 times yarn over and make double treble crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ready? Again 4 chains. This time we will get 4 times yarn over and make triple treble crochet into the ring. Make sure it's not loose and work through two till the end. Ready? Half of our leaf is ready. Now make 7 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and make other side in symmetrical way. 4 times yarn over the hook into the ring and make triple treble crochet. Ready? 4 chains, 3 times yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and make double treble crochet. Ready? 4 chains, 2 times yarn over and make treble crochet into the ring. Ready? Now make 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and make slip stitch into the ring. Ready? Now turn our work. And now we will work in each arch. Make 3 chain instead of first double crochet, yarn over, and into the first arch we will make 9 double crochet. With this 3 chain it will be 10 stitches in total. The This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ready? The first arch is ready. Next arch, where we made 4 chains, we will do 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Next arch again, 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next one. Over here we will do 5 double crochet, and then we will make 2 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will make 2 chains for the middle and continue on the other side of the leaf. Again, 5 double crochet to finish large arch, central one, 3, 4, and 5. Now continue yourself. Make 5 double crochet into the next 2 arches, and into the last one make 10 double crochet, and we'll see you right over here. I'm done with this row. That's what we have so far, and now we need to make our last row. Turn around, make 1 chain, and now to tie up the leaf we will work only in front loops. Here is a front loop, here is a back loop. Usually we work under 2 loops. This time we'll work only in front loop. The loop is closer to you. Insert the hook, grab the yarn and make slip stitch. 1 chain, next loop. See, I only work in front loops, and continue till you reach middle of the leaf. 1 chain, 1 slip stitch in front loop. And continue till you reach these 2 chains. Now we will work in this 2 chain arch. I made last slip stitch and I made 1 chain. Now make 1 slip stitch into the arch, 1 chain, again into the arch, make 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, and the third time the same thing, 1 slip stitch, 1 chain. Ready? Now continue on other side. Also work in front loops. Slip stitch, 1 chain, slip stitch, 1 chain, front loop, slip stitch, 1 chain, and continue till you reach other side of the leaf. I'm about to finish this row. Try not to skip any loop and work in last loop also. It was 3 chain to bring up the yarn. Made last slip stitch. Now we can cut the yarn. Pull up loop, tight, ready. Now we can hide tails, wash and steam the motif. I'll show you in a second. The leaf is ready. That's what I have. Here is the front side where we have that loops we left a nice tie up, and here's the back side. Also looks very nice. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.